The Sheraton Grande Hyde Park in Sydney, Australia is located, as the name would suggest, across the street from Hyde Park in downtown Sydney. It is just a couple minutes' walk from the entrance to the St. James Metro station, where you can get a direct train to the airport. From this station, it is just a short ride to Sydney Harbour and easy access to the rest of Sydney, though you can also walk to the harbour and Sydney Opera House in about 15 minutes. This hotel does have a lounge for Platinum and above elite members, and also has an excellent buffet breakfast in the restaurant, which offered a lot of choices and good food and service. Our room was spacious, clean, and very comfortable at this hotel. See for yourself. Okay, welcome to the Sheraton Grand Hotel in Sydney, Australia. So this is a room tour of a king room, and this is a king park view room. We booked a king city view room. We are Platinum Elite members, so we did get upgraded to a park view, which isn't really an upgrade, but we took it. Not sure what the elite status situation is in Australia, but anyway, we did not get a bigger upgrade than that. Again, this is king-sized bed. This is a king room. It's quite a spacious room, very big. It's a nice room. Got some end tables there with some waters. Got a little sitting area here. And again, the park view, Hyde Park. Can't really see it, it's dark. We just got here, it's about 8 p.m. But over here we have a desk with a couple of chairs, which is nice. A little bench area for some luggage or something. They did give us this box of chocolates, which is pretty cool. That was an elite welcome gift. We also did choose the breakfast buffet. So they have a lounge here. It's on the 21st floor, which I believe they serve breakfast there and also some evening stuff. Which again we missed because it's late when we got here, but also as the Platinum welcome benefit, you can choose to get the buffet breakfast in the restaurant, so that's what we did. So anyway, moving on here. Here's the coffee maker and all that stuff. Some shelves there. We're only going to be here for one night, but it's definitely nice if you're going to be spending a couple of days here. So big closet, some robes. Lots of room in here, some drawers in there. Not sure if you can see them, but and the bathroom here is quite large. There's a separate shower and a separate toilet area there, and then the vanity, and there's the tub. So again, big separate bathtub. Vanity area, and the separate toilet and shower. So again, this is the Sheraton Grand Hyde Park in Sydney, Australia.